In Nigeria, clay is the soul of handmade ceramics. Skilled hands shape soft clay, breathing life into it. The spinning wheel transforms humble clay into graceful vessels. Intricate designs emerge, telling stories through every delicate line. Sunlight kisses each piece, preparing them for fiery transformation. Fires roar, turning soft clay into lasting works of art. From clay to masterpiece, Nigeria's ceramics celebrate skill and culture. Come get your handmade Nigerian ceramics, beautifully crafted for you.
So let me show you how I created that video we just watched. First thing was to go to ChatGPT and I gave it my prompts. I wanted to create a documentary video on the art of making handmade ceramics in Nigeria. In my prompt, I emphasized that the narration has to fit into 8 seconds. I used this particular detect icon to do that. This is what I got eventually. Now this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 down to the last. What I'm just going to do now is I'm going to copy this and then I am going to go to Flow. Now we are making use of scene builder in Flow to create this. So all you have to do is paste your prompt and then click on enter. Okay, yes. Alright, here is our video.
In Nigeria, clay is the soul of handmade ceramics.
So what I'm going to do now is click on add to scene. And this is exactly what we are looking for, scene builder. It will take us directly to scene builder. You can also access this on your mobile device. All you have to do is switch to desktop mode on your mobile device so you can access it this way. Okay, here we have this. Next thing you need to do is click on this plus icon and then click on extend. It's immediately going to extend the scene. You see what should happen next. Then would come back here and then copy this. Then I would paste it here. Then click on enter. So I'm going to do the same thing for all scenes. How many scenes do we even have? Let me check it. We have about 8 different scenes. Yes. So I'm going to do the same thing for our 8 different scenes. Yes, now we have our second scene. Let's watch.
Skilled hands shape soft clay, breathing life into it.
You see that, right? So that's exactly how you do it. I'm just going to create for the remaining scenes. I'll click on extend to and then I'll go for scene 3. I'm going to pause this video now and just create the rest. Our final video is ready and here it is.
In Nigeria, clay is the soul of handmade ceramics. Skilled hands shape soft clay, breathing life into it. The spinning wheel transforms humble clay into graceful vessels. Intricate designs emerge, telling stories through every delicate line. Sunlight kisses each piece, preparing them for fiery transformation. Fires roar, turning soft clay into lasting works of art. From clay to masterpiece, Nigeria's ceramics celebrate skill and culture. Come get your handmade Nigerian ceramics, beautifully crafted for you.
And yes, that's exactly how it's done. So with Scene Builder, you can generate longer videos. You can even do 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes videos. It's quite easy. So to download this, I'm just going to click on this icon and then it's going to export. So once your video is exported, you just click on download. So once you're done downloading, that's just all. Like I said, you can create longer scenes. You can create documentary videos using these. You can create short movies using this. It all depends on whatsoever you want to try. I'm sure this video was helpful to you. So like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and I would see you on the next video.